South Carolina's marine industry is booming, creating opportunity like never before. And right here at HGTC, we're preparing the next generation of highly skilled marine technicians and boat builders to meet that demand.
The students that are coming out of the HGTC boat building program, they have a knowledge, they get a basic foundation for boat building. They come into the industry with such a passion. It's such a great asset for us as an employer to be able to hire these students, to bring them in. They have that foundation and we can just build on that foundation. So it's really a win-win for the student and for the employer.
From composite boat building to outboard engine diagnostics, our hands-on programs equip students with the skills needed to launch successful careers in this growing field.
I feel like this program is going to benefit me in a lot of ways. It actually helped me build my resume, and they are helping all of us pretty much find a job in the field.
Boat building program is a one-year certificate program designed to teach the student all the necessary skill sets to become an employee in a boat manufacturing environment. The program is designed for the boat manufacturing sector here in the state of South Carolina. We have numerous boat manufacturers here, and we try to cater the program to fit their needs and help their employee pool, and to give these people an opportunity to get a good paying job in a manufacturing environment.
Whether it's building the next great fishing vessel or servicing high-performance outboards, HGTC graduates are making waves across the marine industry. Your future in the marine industry starts right here. Visit our website and enroll today.